In this lecture, we'll try to understand about TCL command. TCL is for transaction control language. Transaction control. So it will control the transaction. How? There are many transactions we are doing over the Oracle database, like insert, update, delete. This type of transaction we are performing on Oracle database. This transaction is also calling it as a DML language, right? So let's say you want to insert some data. So you are doing insert. Then if you want to update something, you will fire an update statement. If you want to delete some records, so you will fire a delete statement. So we know like Oracle database follows the ACID properties, automaticity, consistency, right? Durability. Now what will happen? Let's say, let me take one example. Let's say you deleted the record. Okay, you fire a delete command and you deleted some records. And after that, what happened? You got to know like okay, you made some mistake. Okay, whatever records you deleted, you have made some mistake. Now you want those record. So what you can do? You can use rollback. So what we understood from here that whenever you are inserting some record, updating same record or deleting some record, every time you need to fire one more command that is called commit. Commit means this is a permanent change. Once you make commit, you cannot roll back it. You can roll back it only when if it is not committed. Commit means it's a permanent change. So if you are not doing the commit, what will happen? Whatever records which you have inserted or updated or deleted, you will not find that record if you have not committed it. So commit is again a part of your TCL. So whenever you are firing your DML statement like insert, update or delete, every after DML statement you need to fire a commit statement. So this is important. Okay, this is really important. Let's try to understand things. What I'm doing, I have these records are there. Okay, let me check the sum of select star from EMP. So I'm just checking the records from my employee table. Now let me try to use, we can use DML, anything like insert, update, delete, anything is fine. Let's try to insert, let's try to delete some record. Delete from table name. Okay, delete from table name, where I'll delete all the gender which is having gender as female. Okay, where gender equals to female. What I'm doing, I'm deleting all the records where the gender is female. Let me do that. When I'm doing it, I can see 127 rows deleted. There are 127 rows were there which got deleted. Now if I try to do select star from EMP, I will not be able to see that records. Let me check that. I don't see any records which is with gender female, not right now. But what will happen if I just log out this session? Okay, we have option here, disconnect. And if I try to connect back, again I will see those records which are with the gender female because we have not committed it. So if I'm doing commit, then and only then this record will be permanent. So what I need to do, I need to fire a command called commit. This will commit the transaction. If I commit it, it means I will not be able to see this record by any chance. I cannot roll back it now because I have deleted this record permanently. So whenever you do any insert, update or delete, always fire a commit if you are sure that you are good with the insert, update and delete. If you are not confident, don't do commit. There is option is rollback is there. We'll discuss this rollback in the next lecture. I hope this is clear. Thank you.